The video you're about to watch was filmed in a previous year where I go step by step and showing students how to set up their self-service password reset. Now there's a different way to log in and I'm going to show you that now. Go to go.pallyhide.org/login. Now, you should already know what your username is by now, and if you don't, you should go to go.pallyhide.org/account and watch the video at the top of the page to learn how.
And your username is the same email address that you use for your Google, the one that ends in @PCHS. We're going to use Charlie Nance here. Your graduate is 2021, nance.ch@pchs.pallyhide.org. Everybody's password is the default one. First initial, last initial, and birthday. Mine would be JV103080 because I was born on October 30th, 1980. And so you're going to use that default password. And if you've never set it up before, you're going to see the screen that says more information is required. And what you're about to do is give some information that's going to allow you guys individually to reset your own passwords. Now there's 3 different options. You only need to do one of them. We recommend doing the security questions because you don't need to worry about email passwords or having a cell phone or having connection. You just have to answer a couple questions. Everybody has to answer 5 security questions, like what's your favorite food, your best friend's first and last name growing up, things like that. If you're going to answer the questions, make sure you remember what the answers are, write those down, something like that. And then once you hit save, that's it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Recommend maybe setting up a couple other ways for you to be able to reset your password, like putting in a cell phone number. Can't be a Google Voice number, it's got to be a real number. Put in the number, it'll text you back a 6-digit verification code and it'll verify it and you're good to go. Now you can use your cell phone or those security questions to reset your password. Now this is the one account and one password that's going to get you into everything. Once you do that, you need to change your password now. And so when you do that, you're going to go in the upper right hand corner, click on your name and your initials, and you're going to click on My Account. So you're in your Microsoft account and you need to change from that default pattern. And you're going to click Manage Security and Privacy, and then right there it says Password, change your password. Your old password, which was the one you gave, you type that in, right? Your first initial, last initial, birthday, and then create a nice, strong password. This is the password that's going to get you into all your accounts, Symphony Campus, Schoology, and Google. So everybody do that right now, all 3,000 of you. So when you start next year, not 3,000 seniors, you guys don't have to do this. So, all right, thanks.